Hello everybody, I got sent a product recently. Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. I've got a tough task, let's see how it works. Look how dirty and grimy that fan is. Let's see if this Super Clean is up to the task. Now I'm going to go ahead and disassemble off camera. And we'll come back and get started on the cleaning. So just a few moments later, I have the fan components disassembled, and you can just see how grimy and dirty these are, especially the blades. So let's see what this Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser can do. I will be using it straight from the bottle as is. No diluting or anything, so it's just whatever rate that this is mixed at is what we're going to use. I'm going to start by just spraying the components down. And look at that already. The dirt's just flowing right off. And then it also has a stream function. You can really get in there and start knocking dirt loose. Look at that. Hope that shows up in the camera all right. It'll start taking all that dirt off. I've got a scrub brush for agitation. And look at that go. That is really doing a number on that greasy dirt. Give it one more spray. And then let's start rinsing this. See how clean everything gets. Dirt's just falling off here. Didn't stand a chance. And there's always one or two little stubborn spots, so treat those again. That's already sparkling clean compared to what it was. There's the front grille, looking pretty good. Go ahead and do the motor housing next. And again, one little stubborn spot there. Gently agitate it. Perfection. Let's do this intermediate piece that holds everything together. And there's my little stubborn spot right there. Super Clean took care of it, no problem. So we're moving right along. Let's do the blades next. Look at that. The dirt's just falling right off of the blades. Not a problem. Can't get any better than that. Good as new. And then the back grill. That looks pretty well clean to me. So I will reassemble off camera and we'll take a look at the results. And here is a look at the finished product. Much, much better. I'll put in a before here. Look how dirty and grimy that fan is. Let's see if this Super Clean is up to the task. And then what it looks like now. So once again, this has been cleaning a filthy oscillating fan with Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. It really does dissolve grease super easy and super fast. Thank you for watching.